To connect Mailchimp with EventsX, you first need to log onto your account, click on the business you wish to integrate, click on the Integrations tab, click Install, add your API key there, add your audience ID here. You've now installed Mailchimp successfully, and your audience will be imported into Mailchimp to send out marketing communications.